Hello everybody, my name is Lian Arellano. Today we're gonna be learning about earthquakes. Do you know why an earthquake happens or why this occurs? Well, the tectonic plates are always moving slowly. However, they become stuck at their borders due to friction. How does an earthquake happen? When the force in the edge overcomes the friction, an earthquake occurs, releasing the energy in the form of waves that travel through the Earth's crust and create the shaking we experience. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a rapid movement or trembling of the Earth's tectonic plates that cause ground shaking. This trembling has the potential to damage structures and shatter the Earth's surface. Did you know that there are 3 types of earthquake boundaries? First, what is boundary? Plate boundaries are the points at which 2 plates move together. The majority of geologic activity such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and mountain formation occur along the plate borders. Now, we have 3 types of plate boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform boundaries. Convergent boundaries are formed when 2 plates collide, subduction zone, from when both tectonic plates are made up of oceanic crust, just like this animation. Divergent boundaries are formed when 2 plates move apart. For example, and transform boundaries where plates slide past each other, just like this example.
Are some items that you will need in case of emergency. First aid kit. It's important to have a first aid kit that you untreat possible injuries. This contains band-aids, alcohol, cottons, betadine, medicine, water. You should always be prepared with clean drinking water. Flashlight or emergency light. It's not unusual to have no electricity during emergency situations, so flashlight is definitely handy in enabling to find your way during blackout. Swiss knife. It's important. The importance of a portable bullet tool in emergency kit. Its components be used for eating, opening canned goods, and for cutting. Whistle. Getting trapped under debris is a very real possibility during fires, earthquakes. So having a whistle to call rescuers' attention to your location can make the difference between life and death. Blanket. A lightweight portable blanket is useful in both hot and wet conditions. This can be used as protection during typhoon, fire, flood, etc. Cell phone and power bank. You can communicate to other people who need your help even your relatives and families. Canned goods. One of the best choices for emergency food supplies is commercially canned foods. Canned foods are also cooked and can be eaten right off the can. That's all.
First is have a family emergency plan. Your plan should include what to do, what to bring, whom to call, and what do you need to take with you. Know the fault lines of your area. Familiarize the evacuation areas of your place. Prepare an emergency kit, hygiene kit, and non-perishable food good for 3 days.
Emergency kit includes cotton balls, over-the-counter meds, betadine and extra batteries, nebulizer or rechargeable nebulizer in case your family needs it, pulse oximeter, thermometer, alcohol, sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, sterilized gauze pad. We have 3x3 and 4x4, flashlight, alcohol swabs, Band-Aid in different sizes, elastic bandages, and also triangular bandage, disposable gloves, first aid paper tape, and don't forget to bring your own notebook and pen. The things you need to bring: powdered milk, canned goods, biscuits, chocolates, and also water, hygiene bag, and first aid kit. These are the things you need to bring if you need to evacuate. Learn how to turn off your electricity, water, and gas.
What to do when there's an earthquake? The best thing to do when there's an earthquake is to the DCH or the Dock Cover and Hold, and stay where you are until the shaking stops.
What to do after an earthquake? First of all, what is earthquake? Earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the earth lithosphere. When there's an earthquake and it stops and you're inside, never go outside. Stay on the table and wait for the aftershock.